Cozy. I'm back today with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you all about this lovely cabinet. So guys, this cabinet I picked up at a thrift store. I only paid $45 for it. So this day in particular, I was in like the bougie section of town, and I was like, oh my god. I walked in the thrift store, I seen it, something was like, girl, snatch that tag off, go pay for it now, don't leave it. And I'm really glad that I didn't. Now I sell at an antique booth here in Virginia Beach. I sell at the Barrett Street Antique Mall on booth 903. So if you want to shop my home decor, you can check me out on Instagram at Cozy Interiors by She, and also Cozy Interiors by She on Facebook. And if you're local, you can head over to 2645 Dean Drive in Virginia Beach, ask for booth 903, and you can purchase something for me. So this cabinet I bought, and it's been sitting here for the past 2 months. Okay, like, we're in my kitchen right now. My home is very small. I wish that I had a garage, guys. Like, if I had a garage, life would be so lit right now. But I think God was like, no girl, I knew not to get you a house with a garage because it would be packed full of stuff. And that's the truth, because I literally find deals like this one all the time. And so I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about this piece, and then we're going to stage it because it hasn't been selling. So what I want to do is do some light staging, that way somebody will want to buy it. So okay, let me give you guys some information about this piece. This piece is a 19th century Belgian dry oak bar cabinet. Okay, it's from the Gothic revival era. So you can see there's like really beautiful detailed carving. The way it's constructed, you can just tell that this piece is high quality and that it's a very expensive piece. Okay, but the problem is nobody wants old stuff like this in their house anymore, and so anyway, we're gonna stage it to make somebody want to buy it. So this is a hand-carved solid oak Renaissance Gothic revival cabinet made in Belgium. The cabinet features carvings of several figures in relief, surrounded by carved Gothic style architectural elements. The doors have large sculpturally formed cast iron hinges, as well as an ornate cast iron latch with an image of a woman praying within Gothic arches. Also note the quality and thickness of the wood used. So I was able to find somebody else that sold one of these, and that's where I got that information from. If you heard of a website called First Dibs, you can get really expensive like antique furniture from there. So anyway guys, that's the piece. Beautiful piece of furniture, but I have $45 in right now. I kind of want my $45 and my profit back. So what I'm going to be doing is adding some items to it to show people how it can be used. And so I found these cute, and I'm literally not gonna do much, guys, but watch how much of a difference it makes. So I found these glasses at the thrift store. I think I got all 5 of them for maybe about $5. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up this cabinet, and as you can see on the inside there's a ledge, which that is so cute for alcohol bottles. I mean for glasses, and then alcohol bottles at the top. But I don't really drink much anymore, and I'm not gonna go to the store to buy liquor just to stage it. So I'm gonna take these beautiful glasses, they're like goblets actually, and I'm just gonna place them inside of the cabinet. So 3 at the top, and then I'm gonna stick my other 2 down the bottom. I'm gonna keep one door open. And then guys, at the bottom, I'm gonna actually, at the bottom guys, oh my god, look at my floor. At the bottom guys, I'm just gonna put a nice plant. Look at that, this thing that came alive already. And so, ta-da! Ta-da! I'm telling you guys, little stuff like this makes people want to buy. It really, really makes them want to buy. Like, now somebody will see this. I'm going to take a picture and post it online. Somebody will see this and be like, oh my god, I have to have it. And I'm probably So now that it's staged, somebody can see, oh wow, I can put something decorative at the bottom. And then, especially like if a guy wants to buy this and his wife thinks it's god awful and ugly, like she'll be like, oh wow, this beautiful little plant at the bottom. And then these gorgeous little glasses kind of make it feel more feminine, you know? It makes it feel more feminine. And if I'm able to find a decanter at the thrift store today, like a glass one, I'm gonna buy a decanter, and probably put something on the top. But honestly guys, I really think that these glasses and that is enough. So I'm gonna take my picture. And then guys, I'll give you updates, so make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you'll be notified when I post more videos. And I also like to post pictures like on the community section. So on the community section, I'll give you guys an update how much I sold it for. But I'm only trying to get $400, so I'm gonna put on Facebook $400 and see what happens. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If so, give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. How much do you guys think I should sell it for? Do you think I'm selling it for too low? Do you want to buy it? Because it is for sale. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.